Welcome to CC Info Center. Today we'll talk about how to take an oil sample from a CJC filter, which may be included in your oil system. So why do we want to take an oil sample? Well, oil is like the lifeblood of the machine. So the sample here will indicate the health of the machine as well as the oil. It's crucial to have clean oil in the oil system because it optimizes performance and avoid breakdowns and lost production. To take a correct oil sample, you need a CJC sample bottle or a similar one from your preferred oil supplier or laboratory. It is very important that the bottle is ultra clean, because otherwise it will contaminate the oil sample and it will not give the true indication of cleanliness and quality of your oil. The first has a normal sample valve. This fine filter has a push button sample valve where you just need to push to start the flow. And the third one, the filter separator, has a mini mesh where you need to connect the hose to start the flow. No matter which of the sample points you're using, the procedures are the same. However, there's less requirements for flushing if you're using mini mesh or push button. In order to take a sample, you have to use a bucket or container for the flushing oil. You need the sample bottles, a how-to guide, a cloth, and a pen and a label. Before you start to do the sampling, please ensure that the oil system is in stable operation condition, because otherwise this sample will not represent the cleanliness of your oil system. So let's start taking a correct oil sample. I need my tools, so my sample bottle and my container. I need to open and close the valve 5 times. And then leave the flow open. I open the lid, but only when I get very close to the flow. I keep the lid in my hand, fill it 80%, put on the lid and close the valve. It's important that you don't place the lid anywhere else, so any dirty places, and it's also important that the sample bottle is not completely full, otherwise the laboratory cannot shake it. Now I need to prepare the sample for shipping. So I fill in as much information as possible about the oil system, stick the label onto the sample bottle, put it into the plastic bag and into the cardboard box and send it immediately to your preferred laboratory for testing. You also need to dispose of the oil according to your local regulations and maybe top up the system if so needed. Now we wish you good luck with your oil analysis. If you need support or you need to order some sample bottles, please go to your nearest CC contact on cjc.dk/contact. Thank you for watching.